What is happening, everybody? We got another reset for you today. Today we'll do a Maxwest Astro A64. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a passcode that you forgot and you gotta do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do it. If there's anything you guys are looking for in terms of reset or teardown that you're having trouble with, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up first. We got a lot of resets and teardowns coming up, so if there's anything in particular that you want to see sooner than later, just let us know. We'll try to get that up first. And as always, when you guys do a hard reset, just remember you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. So keep that in mind when you're doing this. So let's get right into it. So if you have one of these and you got a pattern, in this case a pattern, turn the phone off first. Hold volume up, which is right here, and power button at the same time to get the turn off menu to appear. Let's turn it off. Once the phone is off, we will be holding the volume up button and power button at the same time. And you can let go of power as soon as the phone turns on. I'll usually just hold volume down first and then hit power. Try to do this where you guys can actually see it. And it goes right into the reset menu. Sorry about that. And you can see from here, your volume up is going to be navigate. So press volume up to get to recovery, and then volume down is okay. So when on recovery, we're going to hit volume down. And then it'll take a second to load into the actual reset menu. And we'll show you that here in a second once that actually loads. I'm sorry, because I didn't hit the volume down button good enough. You'll get to this no command screen, and when you're here, what you want to do is hit the power and volume button, and the best way to do it is just hold power and then tap volume up and then let go of both at the same time. And then scroll, your volume buttons will scroll in this case, and the power button will work as your enter button. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm it, and now it should be deleting. And then it'll either, once it's deleted, it'll ask you to either reboot or to power off. In this case, we'll just reboot. And it'll start us fresh. And that is how you do a hard reset on a Maxwest Astro A64. Once again, if you guys have any questions or comments, like, subscribe, share, we'd appreciate all of that. So until otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.